back working on the 66 CJ5 here for a couple hours. Had a little time to spare from the shop, so I thought I'd run in here and do this. I'm telling you what, it's been 25 degrees and it's been snowing off and on all morning long. So I'm not going to do a whole lot out here because it's just too damn cold. But what I do want to do is get an overhead light put in, and then I'm also going to try to get some shelves installed. The last couple of weeks I've been gathering up all the parts that I mentioned in an earlier video that I have scattered everywhere. So I've got most of them here, and right now I want to build these shelves so I can put all these parts on the shelf so I know where they are when I need them. So come on along while I do all that.